Hello once again, lovers. Today I've decided to show you guys how you can sign on how you can make an electronic signature just using a phone and a pen. You can use even a computer, so there is two ways that I'm gonna show you today of how you can make an electronic signature. So starting from the first way where you can draw your signature just using a computer. So there are multiple ways you can use to make your signature. So first way it is just to use the computer default program that is called paint. So you can use the paint, then you can draw your you can just draw anything just using paint. Then you come and sign like this. According to your signature. So that is the first way, but for the second way of signing, I don't think this one is even perfect. So the second way, it's about signing online. You can come and choose this website. This website is called signwell.com. You can firstly draw using the computer. So after drawing, so you can come and design your own signature like this. You can design your own signature like this. Yeah, this is one of the signature. Then if you like it, you can customize the color. So after customizing the color, you can even save it. You can save that signature like this. So after saving, you choose the transparent background so that you can attach it in many kind of documents. Then you can come and preview your signature. This is the signature I did. So after that, that is the very first way. So the second way, it's about drawing. You can use your keyboard and then you type your signature like can do like the Foco Media, then you click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will come and see this kind of signatures. Keep on loading more let's see which one is the best. And this one is good. Even this one, but let me choose this. So after choosing this, you can come and customize like this, the Foco Media or this one. Then you select the color. So after that, you can save it. Then you choose the transparent background. After choosing, you can preview your saved signature. You can preview your signature like this. You can come and check your signature. This is it. This is the Foco Media signature I made. So after that, we are now going to see how you can make your own signature just using the phone, and using the computer. So you are going to take paper like this, then you sign. After signing, can sign like this. Yeah, like this. This is a signature I did. This is a signature I made. So now we are going to import this signature in the computer, and then we edit it so that we can have a really perfect signature. So the first thing we're gonna do it is taking the phone. After taking the phone, we put on the camera. After putting on the camera, then we are going to capture the signature like this, Yeah, now the signature is actually good. Yeah, the signature is good. So we are going to import this signature in the computer. Then after importing, I will show you how you can edit it in Photoshop so there is another way you can use. You can just use your phone. You can just use your phone to edit. There is an application which is called background eraser. You can go to App Store or Play Store, then you download that app. You will be using it in your phone just to edit the background, as I'm going to make it in Photoshop. Yeah, I'm now going to make it in Photoshop. So you are going to see how I'm going to make it. Yes, now I have already put the picture I've taken in the computer. I'm going to show you how I can now import the picture in the computer, then edit using the Photoshop. As I told you, you can even edit just using the other kind of things. You can even use the computer, so you can even use the phone. So now I'm going to show you how you can edit just using your computer. Now you are going to come to this Photoshop. You are going to open Photoshop. This here it is. Then after opening Photoshop, you are going to open that image we imported, which is this one on desktop. We are going to select. This one. So after selecting this image in Photoshop, you are going to remove the background. So for removing the background, let's try this magic eraser tool to see to remove the background. Now the background is kind of removed, but you can just zoom. After zooming, you can even be removing these things in the background so that the signature will remain clear without anything in the background. Now the signature is clear. So now what to do, you can open, you see now you can remove the signature. So let me remove this remaining thing. Here it is, this one. So can use the eraser tool to erase these things. Then now this is your signature. So after that, in order to save this signature shot, you can open Ctrl N, or you can come here to file, then new. After new, you can select like 50 megapixels, 250. Then resolution, you can keep this. So maybe this is kind of small. You can let's use 100 or 200. Let's use 200 megapixels. Here 200 over 200. Let me see if it isn't the same as this. Okay, so after using this, the background, we can make it transparent. Then so we are going to take this signature, then we copy it here. So after copying it here, now we can zoom and make it really small, like this. Then we zoom this, put it here like this. Now the signature is there. Now you can save. So after saving, the background is like this. Then you can save your image. Save this on desktop, and then you make it a PNG. The PNG is this one. Then you make it the signature. Yeah, like this. So the next thing to do, it is to open a Word document. After opening a Word document, we are going to find some random text. After finding some random text, we are going to add them within we are going to add them just within our Microsoft Word document, like this. Then to add some random text in Microsoft Word, you do like echo, you type rand. After rand, you are going to do like this. Then you are going to choose 4, 5, then you press enter, which means it is going to add the 4 paragraph, each paragraph having 5 what? Having 5 lines. So what to do is like this. Close this foot and headers. So this it's like the vocal media, medium. Then you put like South Africa. Then you put the date. The date it's you can even put the date put like 2025 Feb 25, for example. So this is all about then you put it like this. Suppose this is a letter you are writing to someone, then here you need to sign. So if you need to sign, here you are going to write the focal media like this. The focal media, it is the one which is signing. Then here you are going to insert your signature. So inserting the signature, you will come to this device. Then you go to desktop. After going to the desktop, now you are going to select this signature. So after selecting this signature, you are going to make it smaller like this. Small like this. Then after you put it there, which means move it up like this. Then after you have already signed. Yeah, now this is the signature you seeing this. But if you want to make it a good signature, you can just crop it. You can just crop it so that it can be kinda small. So that it can be somehow small. Then you can save a document like this. So this is the signature. Now let me save like a PDF document so that you can preview and see how the document is. PDF, like I save in the desktop. So let's preview and see how the document is signed. Let's wait a little bit. My computer is going slow. It is this one. It is this one. Let's try to open and see. I opened the menu, that's why it was going kinda slowly, but here it is. You see the rata. See now how the rata is, and the signature is there. This is how, guys, you can make your signature electronically. So now thank you so much for watching. I hope if you have enjoyed the video, you subscribe and share with your friends. And if you need anything else, just write it in the comment and I'll be getting back to you. So you can even, guys, watch more on our website, which is thefocalmedia.com. Thank you so much.